just from here. It's not peeled or anything yet, but it's a clove of garlic. And so, can you hold this? I'm just gonna peel it. Alright. So I'm gonna peel it really quickly, and I'm gonna use your hand. So I'm gonna put it on the back of your hand like this. And so you can smell it. It smells like garlic, right? Yeah, you too? Okay. So you can go around and let other people smell so they know I'm not lying. And it's garlic.
One is this side, the other one is the other side.
You don't want to? Okay, you can probably smell it from here. Okay, so first I'm gonna so these are just some of our everyday products that we use. This right here is our mouthwash, which is really great. You can tell that it's been used. My whole family uses it, only my brother mostly, but this is very diluted, so it comes with a little cap. And when you see it in our catalog, you can see that it's one of these is equivalent to 2 Listerine bottles, 2 full Listerine bottles. So you know that you can use this and it'll last you for a good, if single person, at least 4 months. If you're using it like 1 to 2 times a day. I like to use 4 pumps because I like minty fresh in the morning. So 2 to 3, yeah. So you can use this small bottle up to 100 times, more depending on how strong or how weak you want it. So you just mix it with water. For today, I'm just going to use this. Let me smell first. You smell it? Okay. So we're just going to spray it like that, and then we're going to rub. So this is just to show, you eat throughout the day and you don't want, when you eat, it may taste pleasant, but it doesn't exactly smell pleasant when you're talking to someone, right? So how does it smell?
It smells like that.
Yeah, so it smells minty, right? So this is great. This is great because it masks the scent. So whenever you have strong scents, or maybe you drank something that has a really strong taste, like maybe cinnamon or something like that, and you just don't want that scent carrying with you like a trail as you walk around or you talk to people. So this is a great way. You can just take it with you. It fits in your bag. You can just squirt it, gargle. And we also have this as well, our mouth spray, which is another handy way. And so you can also spray this on the garlic too.
Let me try.
Like that. And the same way you can remove stains and stuff off your teeth, you can also remove smell as well.
Okay, let me try.
She's gonna smell to see if it's authentic.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, the strong scents are gone, and you're left with like a pleasant, like peppermint, minty smelling feel. And the same goes for, maybe it's a really hot day outside and you're doing sports or something like that, or maybe you have clothing that once it starts to get wet, it tends to have like emits a certain smell or something, and maybe that's not your body odor, maybe it's just like the weather and whatever like that, but you want to prevent that when you go out and you meet people, right? So I'm gonna do it for myself as well, so I'm not lying. So this is garlic, and I'm going to use our G&H. So this is our new, well, it's not new, but this is our relaunched deodorant, which is antiperspirant roll-on. So the great thing about this deodorant, can you help us? Just gonna give you a little blurb. So it covers perspiration and odor, and it slows down perspiration, which is excellent. So if you emit a lot of body odor, or maybe if you just want to just smell pleasant all the day, it's an excellent deodorant, and it's long-lasting wetness and odor protection for up to 48 hours, which is excellent. So regardless of whether it's raining, shining, whether it's really foggy, there's a lot of dust blowing at you, it's gonna keep you smelling nice and fresh. And it's alcohol-free as well, so it's not gonna irritate your skin, and it has good ingredients in it. So I'm just going to take the deodorant, and I'm also going to rub it over like that. So imagine this is like a bad smelling shirt and then it left like a smell in here or something like that. And you just rub it clean. It doesn't smell so garlicky anymore, right? So it's a great alternative, and these are really efficient products. They don't take up much space in your bag, no matter what you're carrying, whether a man or woman, and they keep you smelling great, they keep you smelling fresh, and they give you more confidence.